ばい。はい。お願いします。チャーシュー。はい。ここに僕はします。味噌にますので。どうですか。ベッチャーのベッチャーのチャーシューのセットの。チャーシューの大きさどうございます。中で、はい。それのチャーシュー4の小、尾道ラーメンの一つ。セットで小で。曇りが3つと、4つのチャーシューの小が3つと、中が1つと、大吉と黒しが1つと、チャーシューの中1つよろしかったですか。はい、失礼します。こちらラストオーダーになっていいですか。はい、失礼します。
So that was Onomichi Ramen Betcha. You betcha it was good. And here you get some real original Onomichi style ramen with what you expect. You see those nice globs of pork back fat. You have a nice shoyu ramen that uses a chicken base with some of the local setouchi, niboshi that is just finger licking good. It is really, really so good. You'll see the bottom of your bowl earlier than you expect. It's paired with some thin noodles, which I think have like a really nice flavor that pairs well with the soup. I'm not sure what exactly they're putting in there, so I got to do a little bit of research. You have some melting chashu topped on that. I can recommend go for the extra chashu, extra negi option here. They have also two variants you can get for you can get the regular seasoning. I recommend go for a little bit extra seasoning, which they call here kokumashi, which you probably have heard before in my Jiro videos. And yeah, they also have like a bunch of side dishes. So if you want to stick around, maybe have like a beer or two, you can also do that. They have from Chahan, so Machichuka classics, to some local oysters, some gyoza. I mean, you'll find something for everyone here on the menu. And it's quite nice that they're open until a little bit later than the rest of the shops. So here, this one is open until 9, last order 8:30. A lot of the shops actually already open, close at 8, which means often they have their last order at 7:30. So you gotta plan for a little bit earlier dinner rather than a later one. On the other hand, a lot of the shops here in Onomichi open quite early, already at 10, 10:30. So you can actually go for some breakfast ramen if you like to. And tomorrow I'll go to one of the more famous shops, but this one here was perfect as a first bowl here in Onomichi. And that's all from me for today from Onomichi. Thanks for watching. And if you like to hear me talk about ramen, check out the Ramen in Japan podcast. And that's all from me. Yeah. See you guys in the next one.